Well, guys, I hope you like this long preview of what is that I do at Yachting Hub Miami. If you like the content, be sure to follow us, and if you can, always leave a comment below. Also, I want to let everybody know that I'm going to be attending this year's Discovery Boating Miami International Boat Show. That's going to be on February 15 to the 19th, and I'm going to be filming in the show and after the show. So if you want to see all the boat show content, be sure to follow this channel and come back by February the 15th if you haven't done so on other days. But if you want to see the show, this is the only place where you're going to see all the content that I get. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.